Monster High is set to make a huge comeback this fall with a live-action movie. And this Friday the 13th, they gave us the 4 Creeptastic original dolls. Let's check these creepy sisters out, am I right?
Ladies and gentlemen, Friday the 13th, 2022. Your eyes aren't deceiving you. OG, Monster High, in the house. Got pop? Oh, but this is, what is it? Show us, all LOLs? Oh my gosh, the whole family? Girl, you keep flipping it. Okay. Oh, family. We are coming to you live. Well, not really live. Pre-recorded from Poppy in her magic space kitty room. In the Rainbow High house. Hey, everybody.
I have to say, this is so amazing. It can entertain us.
Yeah, we need to be entertained. Okay. Poppy, who are we looking at here?
Draculaura.
What? Draculaura. Original Creep production. So, I mean, you guys, this, if it was the original, would be worth a lot of money right now. I'd have to check how much, but these were collector's items, the originals. She comes with Count Fabulous. And this was her original costume. I remember it was like 2008, maybe. Yeah, something like that. 2009, I can't remember, but around that time, these came out. Been a few years, but this is bringing me back. Back of the box looks pretty much exactly like it did back then, too. Super cool. What's this girl sing?
She says, I'm still standing. Yeah.
I'm still standing. Right?
Yeah. Some of my sisters.
Coupon. For things, the next one is Laguna Blue, right here, Laguna Blue. And you have to say that with a really bad Australian accent, and her fish is Neptune. Also looking super cool on the back of the box. Frankie Stein, the leader of the pack with her dog, Watson. Super fashion doll. These were like the original fashion dolls, you guys. Very cool. Looking fashionable on the back, and Watson looks adorable cute. Last but not even close to least, Claudine Wolf. One of my favorites of the originals, and she comes with her cat, Crescent. You know what? I think I happen to know a black cat in our house as well. What do you have to say, Pop?
Sweet Pea.
What? Oh, Sweet Pete, is that you? Don't go into that bed, Sweet Pete. Let us love you. Let us love you.
I have to tell you something.
What's up, Poppy from Rainbow High? Is that Poppy? Wait a minute, Poppy and Poppy?
I see.
Poppy and Poppy?
Yes.
Poppy? You're turning Poppy, Poppy. We could do this all night.
And, I see Rainbow High. I see Rainbow High copy Monster High.
It's very possible. You could be right. These were the OG fashion dolls. Sorry for the mess, folks. We're in the middle of cleaning, and we're also messy. All right, here we go. What do you want to open first? Sorry, collectors. We are going to open these. Claudine. She's fantastic. I think she's so cool.
That's not her head, is it?
No, that is not her head. That's her thing that says Boo-rific Creep Reduction.
This is her head, right?
Yeah, that is her head. Here, you want me to see how you can pull her out? Partly just pull it right out. There you go. Oh. True or false? When Daddy was like 28 years old, he collected like all of the early Monster High dolls and never opened them and sold them for like thousands of dollars to a single man in Florida.
Is it?
It's totally true. I don't know why I do such weird things, but I love these dolls. I love them, folks.
Then why did you sell it?
Because
Beautiful Claudine.
couple grand, am I right, folks? Say that again.
What did he even give you, like, for trading?
Money, girl. Money. No, like thousands of dollars. I sold like the entire collection unopened for like some fat money. I think I got like a Mac and something else.
It's funny that you say Mac because there's a teacher in my school.
Mrs. Mac, right?
Miss Mac.
You want her next year?
She has a few of my friends in class.
Oh my gosh, show us Claudine real quick, by the way.
Beautiful Claudine.
Do you like her? Do you like her outfit and stuff? Fantastic. Ah, okay, let's see what she came with.
Okay, Crescent, let's get this show on the road. Crescent, do not put your butt in my face. Do not do it, Crescent. Ow! You disgust me, okay? Look at her hair when she turns it so fabulous. Here, I gotta slow motion this.
Alright, put Claudine there. And all of them comes with a little diary too. And this is very much exactly like the original that they came with. And then we're gonna go with Frankie next. Frankie Stein. She's heavy. Something's heavy in here.
I love that walk.
Oh, okay. So we've got to... Griffin has a request that we unbox Laguna Blue right now. Because what is...
Loch Ness.
Loch Ness Monster, right, Pop? Laguna Blue's actually from Australia.
She can actually be anything.
I think you're probably right. Yeah. Let's do this.
Be a mix of all of them.
Yeah. Yeah, you like the piranha. It's pretty cute. Looks like a... Oh, he has a piranha. He does have a little tooth. It's like a Dr. Seuss looking piranha.
I think I can get him out.
Get him out, girl. There you go.
There's one of those like little
Yeah.
strips.
Pop right out. Let's get his fishbowl.
You have to be very careful with this.
Yeah.
So if you ever get this one, then you need to be very careful with
Yeah, it's a little fragile, right? Look at the details. She actually has webbed hands and these little fins on her side. So cool. She looks awesome.
Wait, does she have the gills on her neck?
Yeah, I don't think she has gills. That's good though. You know, they need to put the gills on. Brush that hair. We got Claudine and Laguna here. Let's continue with Frankenstein now. The Dracula. And her doggy. Look at her. Okay, my favorite thing about Dracula. Pop. Look, she has one blue eye and one green eye. I think it's so cool.
Can I see?
Look at that outfit. Shoes, everything. Love it. What's that?
Come here, boy.
Sure.
Wait.
Dracula?
Yeah, Dracula writes in cursive.
You got it. She wrote hers in cursive because you can tell she's fancy. She likes all like the fancy fashion, like old school stuff. And her bat is called
Count Fabulous.
You think Count Fabulous has a dumpy diaper? Yeah, maybe.
No.
It's not dumpy, but it could be a diaper. I think it's a sweater.
It's not a diaper.
What is it? No, it's not the diaper.
It's a sweater.
That was good, Pop. Holy cow! Watching that. What's the show? Oh my gosh, with Count Dracula. Monster Hotel Transylvania. That's where you learned that accent. Okay. Taught yourself. All right. In your extensive travels to Transylvania. Dracula is just fabu. I just love her. Look at her bangs. Look how straight her bangs are.
Look at my bag.
Oh, she's got the bot. Here comes the fabulous. So amazing. Love these dolls. Guys, the original Big Four. Claudine Wolf, Frankie Stein, Laguna Blue, and Dracula with all their pets. This is taking me back, although you guys, this is so fun, because last time I didn't open them, and now I get to actually play with them.
My dead face.
Yes, what's your dead face? Oh, it's so good. So Monster High scary. Okay. Horror! Go like, Very nice.
Alright, so we're gonna put this in adult mode so you guys can leave comments and like and stuff.
And just like tell us what you think, right?
Like you can subscribe.
Oh, they can do all that. They can subscribe always. But, like, I want them to tell us what kind of videos they want to see. Do you guys want to see some Monster High and Jurassic Park? Like, movies? What else? What else could we give them? Spooky?
Videos.
Gnarly videos. Spooky videos. What do you kids want to see?
Do you want to see bear hunt videos?
Bear hunt. Everybody loves them.
Monster videos.
Monster videos.
You want to see slime fidget toys?
Oh, yeah.
Comment well if you want different ones.
That your mom called. She said to click like and subscribe.
That was so good. Yay!
The funniest, the sad
What is it,
thing
Poppy?
is that my mom, like my mom's grandma, she liked the monarch butterfly so much that we sing whenever we see her, like whenever we see a monarch butterfly, it is